Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I have a mail call today, and it's from my buddy Nathan. Nathan 4071, Fire King. Look at there. A square ferro rod. That's pretty cool, ain't it? It's the first one I ever had, the square type. First square ferro rod I've ever owned. He didn't send me just one, he sent me two of them. Two square ferro rods. Y'all remember watching a show called Alone, where a guy, he was a contestant on there. They were competing for $500,000. And his ferro rod, his round ferro rod, he laid it after striking a fire. He laid it down, and the thing just rolled right into the fire, never to be seen from again. If you don't know what happens to a ferro rod whenever it's subjected to a whole lot of heat, just go back on my videos, exploding ferro rods, some other stuff. I've done quite a few of them, blowing them up, just melting them down. Show you exactly what happens to them, and it's pretty cool too. I sure appreciate it, Nathan 4071, y'all. He has an eBay store and a Amazon store. World of Fire is what it's called. World of Fire. That is nice. Let's see how this thing works. What do you think? This thing works awfully good. Awfully good. Struck the heck out of it. Throw some great sparks. No doubt in my mind, that's a great ferro rod. First square ferro rod I've ever owned. And I got two of them. I appreciate it, Nathan. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day. I'm out of here, and I'll see you later.